I got some chicken noodles. Very creamy. Because I do not like non not good cooked noodles or non creamy noodles. Put a little bull sauce in there. Hopefully, I hear that. I can hear it loud and clear. Yummy, yummy. Hold up, y'all. Call me right quick to get a napkin. And we are getting napkin. Hold up, y'all. Okay. Big bite. I was about to copy y'all, honey. I was about to say big bite, honey bite, but a big bite, honey. No, you bite. No, I ain't gonna say it. Tried to slurp it, but they had no room. The rest might be medium bites because I ain't got that much. If you're eating noodles, don't ever like swipe it this much. If you got like hot noodles, these aren't really hot. But if you got extremely hot noodles or you're doing a challenge, do not do your mouth like this. What happens like this? Don't do that because it's gonna burn even more. Like. First, what I would do is I would wet the pepper towel, and then I would just damp it. And then, when most of it off, I would just like go slowly, like that. all going. That is the end of this video, you guys. Hopefully you liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you be notified every time we post a new freaking video. And we are out. Peace.